Hello everyone! In this video, I'll teach you how to create a professional-looking bakery logo for your bakery. So, if you're starting a new bakery business or want to upgrade the logo of your bakery shop, then this video is for you. So, without wasting any time or hesitation, just create an account in Canva. The best part of Canva is you can customize professionally made templates. So, create your account and go to the search bar and type Bakery Logo. Here you'll find templates that you can modify however you like to make your own. Go to the CL to view all templates. And if you want to create one from scratch, you can start with Create Blank Logo and see how great these templates are. Just scroll down if you want to explore more. Maybe I'll go with this one. This template is free. Maybe I'll choose this one. This one is free too. If you don't like any of them, you'll get more suggestions. Just customize the template, and now you have full access to modify whatever you like. If you want to change the text, just click on the text and you can easily edit it. If you want to adjust the text, go to the font settings if you want to change the font. And this option is for resizing text. This one is for changing color. And this is for making the text bold. This one is for italics, underline, strike through, uppercase. This one is for alignment, creating lists, adjusting letter and line spacing, transparency, effect. If you want to curve the text, just click on it. If you want to animate, this option is for positioning. That's all about text edits you can do. Now, if you want to remove any icon or element, just delete it. To add your own elements, go to Uploads and upload files from your computer, or use the Canva library to add elements. Go to Elements and search for whatever you need. Then go to Graphics to see lots of other options. Like this, you can add and change color to your preference. Or you can choose another one. Or you can search Bakery and you'll get even more options. Just pick whichever you like and add it to your logo. Like this, you can reposition or edit anything you want. Now, just play around and add your own details, information, images, and branding colors. When you're happy with your design and ready to export, rename your file and go to the Share option. Then download it. If you want to download it as a PNG, you can do so. If you want a different format, like a printable file, go to PDF and download it. So yeah, that's the simple process. Without wasting much time, you can easily modify professional templates in Canva.